Notorious, notorious. Notorious.
Hey, what's going on, y'all? Just want to do a follow-up video while I had the chance, trying to talk kind of loud so y'all can hear me, on these Falken Wildpeak A trail tires. As y'all can see, it's raining pretty darn good, and just want to do a follow-up since I got this opportunity to let y'all know that these things are great. Hitting a few high water spots, the car is firmly planted on the ground, there's zero hydroplaning, and we're actually doing about 55 miles an hour right now. So yeah, these are great tires, and yeah, can't say anything else.